got bored, decided I would start getting my second round of practice on teaching myself how to TIG weld. I don't know how it went. Maybe I do, maybe I don't. Anyway, I don't know what I'm doing. I'm just teaching myself. So, this is where we're at. Now, this is 1/4 inch flat bar, and it's not clean. I understand when you TIG weld, it needs to be super clean material. But anyway, so I tried my hand at putting some filler rod here, and I'm just using 030 MIG wire because that's what I got. And kind of in through here, no filler in these two. Obviously, not a good job of dabbing the filler rod. And then after that, this is all just running stringers and kind of weaving it around, doing the whip and pause method. Then we get over here, and I like that one a lot, and I like that one a lot. So these two best TIG welds I've done so far. So I'd say for this only being the second time I've ever touched a TIG torch, these ain't too bad. Know what I mean? So, and we're using the Art Captain MiG 200 for that. So, really sweet machine. I'm not a pro. Not even considering myself close to being experienced. But that welder built this cart. It built that cart. And it's building this cart over here. So I'd say we're not doing too shabby, eh? Practice makes perfect. At least that's what they used to tell me as a kid. So pick up that torch and get after it. And keep getting after it. Keep doing it. You got to start, do it, keep doing it, get there. Just don't give up. Thanks for watching.